I've got news for you. You're mine now. You belong to me.
Quiet. Someone might hear you.
Huh?
Be quiet.
Yeah. Want to use this beautiful stick to its full potential? 4 easy steps. In 4 easy steps. 4 easy steps, you'll have what it takes to go pro. We're going to go over the steps on how to wax your snowboard. So before we get started, we're going to need a couple things. An iron, which you can find at any local board shop. A pummel stone, good for getting all those sketchy edges. Some wax, and if you're a base sniffer like me, get something nice. A scraper to scrape off the wax. I prefer the ruler, it's a lot easier, and a base cleaner. But I don't use that shit. I use a brush. You're in the right place. Preparing the base.
Already getting in your way?
Not at all. That's the best way to think about it, it's not there.
So here we're just scrubbing the base free of any dirt or old wax, which will allow the new wax to adhere much better to the board.
Oh shit, I'm not even... Oh, do I take the binders off?
It's actually a good question, Adam. No, you don't. But I do. And the reason for that is more in the temperature of your iron. 120 degrees Celsius is the sweet spot.
Okay. I got rusted.
No worries, dude. We're gonna get that in the next step.
This is the crappiest season, and this is the worst one to come. Yeah. There's no friggin' snow, that's for sure. Yeah, but you want to go with the grind. I feel the time you spend on yours, and 2 seconds you spend on mine. He's like, pass that over, give me 20 seconds. Oh my, that's good.
This is a good time to use your gummy stone to remove all the nicks and rust off your edges, so we'll have a nice clean surface for the next step.
You're banging stuff. So this is your new Super Street Pro 4 there, London?
Hell yeah, man. We're lobsters. Kick
That's
ass.
a lobster lunch? Yeah. I see they got a 50% off old stock. I thought you bought a new board, you were telling me.
Alright, that should be it.
Measure it.
Is there a specific wax you guys bought for this?
Yes, I get all season because it's all season. It's good for all of it.
Tons of different waxes.
If you want to get technical, get the wax that's rated for your local temperatures.
This is all season. Yeah.
This is a good time to check your iron and make sure it is at 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And basically, we're just going to put a nice even layer of wax across the edges, just like this. Beautiful drips. You know, make sure you're not leaving big gaps. And here I just kind of go back the middle, zig it, zag it, whatever you want to do. It really doesn't matter how you do it. Just get an even layer of wax along the board.
Some cotton candy.
Beauty. Just a little extra.
So now you just let it sit and dry?
Yeah. Beautiful. So now you just kind of, you know, give her circles. Don't stay in one spot for too long. Then you're just gonna burn her through. Yeah. Just kind of give it circles. You'll see it spread around. And she's nice. Yeah, I guess you don't want to get too much wax on the spoon, eh? Kind of like going down an icy
So
stairwell.
is it supposed to be extra gloopy everywhere
Yeah.
right now?
Yeah. Because then you scrape it off with the scraper. So this is just to kind of get it even. And then just put it aside for about 10, 20 minutes.
Okay, definitely not 10 minutes, at least 20. Some recommend 30, just when it's dry.
And just make sure whenever you put it against, you put it the opposite way out.
Oh, so it doesn't stick to your car?
Yeah. Okay, your turn. That's great. And after about 20 minutes, it dries, and now we scrape off all that excess wax. Just like this. Wax on, wax off. Yeah.
Well, that room is working way better than the one I tried.
Oh, dude, I love this thing.
That's coming off with
So much better.
Last time, man, when I did, my hands were like hurting by it.
Yeah.
So it's like a little triangle thing. Like,
a little triangle thing that's like, sucks.
Yeah.
Because you're going like this, and you're like,
Yeah.
it is.
I highly recommend the longer scraper. The triangle one's just been a real pain in the ass. Not literally, but you know what I mean.
You look for the...
I don't know why I need to. I can't. If the wheels will go forward,
Here I'm just feeling for any uneven surfaces, so basically wax I haven't scraped off yet. Give it a good scrape, because a smooth board is a smooth ride.
and then a quick little scrape. Not too much pressure.
Here I'm actually just using a white Scotch pad. Don't use the green, it's too abrasive. We're just gonna polish it up. This is just kind of a spit shine.
Oh, if you want super slippery or
Good. Congratulations, you just waxed your first snowboard. Now there's nothing else to do but hit the slopes, stay vertical, get in a hot tub with your homies. There's like $300. $300.
Do you want to keep it such low energy or?
No, just yeah, get done. So that was a new place.
I didn't get it.
During gloves? And then with energy?
So before we get started, you're gonna have to collect it. No, energy.
No energy?
No,
Not too much?
So before we get started, we're gonna have to collect it. Yeah, toss it down.
From here?
You wanna know how to wax your snowboard?
Join the channel for $1 and we'll show you tips, tricks no one's talking about these days. And then go faster.
Okay, I'm recording.
Was that like Zells?
Oh, it's fucking rust all over the.
Everyone checking the back.
I know, because you said wear all your nice stuff, right?
Oh, you got it on his shoes. How the hell do you get on your shoes?
You basically humping the
I'm pumped to go, man. So these, have you seen the new passes? This is what the new passes look like.